Light is so fundamental to our existence that we often overlook its critical impact on our daily lives. And though we seek out beautiful sunsets, find romance in candlelight, and feel the excitement of fireworks, we barely give lighting at home a passing thought. But our bodies and minds are finely tuned to the most subtle changes of light, constantly seeking the imperceptible cues that energize our days and prepare us for deep, replenishing rest. Indoors, light can help our homes feel more inviting, comfortable, functional, and beautiful, but today most of us live with lighting that hurts as much as it helps. The wrong LEDs, for example, can leave us subconsciously suffering from glare every day, and tidy rows of recessed downlights leave shadows in precisely the wrong places. The results diminish the comfort of our homes, detract from the beauty of our surroundings, and leave us without the light our bodies need during the day, while we sacrifice our own rest and well-being with too much of the wrong light at night. We can help you with light. Our team of talented lighting professionals has designed hundreds of homes from simple farmhouses to grand estates. We invest heavily in training and research so we can help you choose solutions that work beautifully, fit your budget, and last for years. Our designers ignite the creative side of lighting with unique digital tools. They balance inspiration with technical expertise to ensure the job gets done right. So let us reveal the architectural beauty of your home. Let our team replace lackluster layouts with strategies that invite and relax. Let us help you with light, because light can help you live your best life.